Okay, this is going to take you through the department assessment that we do in General Introductory Psychology. Back to the announcement page and to the left-hand sidebar. The department assessment link is under the Prep Requirement link. Click on it and you'll be transported to this page, which ought to have a familiar look by now. Some general information at the top in case you forgot where you were going between that click and your arrival, and then scroll down to find some awesome and amazing links. The links are to access the instructions. I'll bet that's a PDF file there, the study guide, the lockdown browser, which you already have, and the practice test. Just for fun, let's check out that instruction link and see if there's a PDF there. Okay, so nobody can say they fooled us on that one. The instruction page there tells you everything you need to know. The important thing to know for now is that this test covers material in chapters 3, 6, 7, 9, and 12, and these are all chapters that we will cover in class. The test you take over these chapters is a 20-item multiple-choice test. Let's click on the study guide link, and there's the study guide in PDF format. What did we do before we had PDFs? This study guide will help you focus on what you need to know for the test, and it even refers you to relevant page numbers in the book. Go back to the links and look for the link to the Respondus Lockdown Browser. The Respondus Lockdown Browser is a small program that we use to administer tests and quizzes through Blackboard. It prevents users from looking up answers to test questions on the internet while you take the test. Click on this link and it'll take you to this web page. In the middle panel, you'll see a brief video that explains the Lockdown Browser, installation, and other incidentals. Feel free to click and watch. The right panel contains a link to terms and conditions and a big yellow Install Now button. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on that button and you'll be led through a pretty typical installation procedure. Once you've installed Respondus, you'll see an icon on your desktop that looks like this. The eyes you see there belong to St. Thomas Aquinas, patron saint of academics and students. St. Thomas resides on my computer desktop, and the Respondus browser icon seems to have hit St. Thomas right between the eyes. When you click on the Respondus icon, it will take you to the Blackboard login page, and you'll go from there to the link for the test. You'll need the Respondus browser to take both the practice test and the actual department assessment test. Go back to the links and you'll see the link to the practice test already posted. Don't click on it now. Wait until you're prepared to take the practice test. When you do click on the link, it'll take you to a screen that looks like this, and you'll see a blue button that says Begin. Simply click that blue button to start the test. Okay, let's review all that. The Department Learning Assessment Test covers material in chapters 3, 6, 7, 9, and 12. There are study guides and practice tests available to help you prepare. The practice test and the learning assessment test must be taken through the Respondus browser. Both tests are multiple choice and have a 20-minute time limit. The department assessment test counts toward your course grade, but the practice test does not. Some of the more clever among you are probably thinking, that means I don't have to take the practice test. And you're right about that. But I'll go ahead and say it. If you don't take the practice test, you're kind of a knucklehead. Finally, this is scheduled to take place near the end of the semester, and you don't really need to worry too much about it right now. You can check the course calendar for the deadline, and we'll give you a reminder long before then. Okay, you should be prepared now to take the Department Learning Assessment Test. Good luck on it, and if you have any questions, contact your instructor. Thanks for watching.